Hi guys, today is December the 3rd, after the market close, the first day of the month in the trading, and first Monday, and we're looking at a chart of S&P 500, which looks like here tried to make a go at the 50-day moving average but got rejected. So you can see this topping tail here in that candle, and let's focus on it and go to the 5-minute chart and take a look at it. What was the situation here? This is what it was looking like here. 1385, we made a low here on 1128, and then we start moving up here. But today we gapped up. We moved up here first towards the close early in the morning, and then made that topping tail. And since then we just kept on going down and down, making lower highs and lower lows, and finished the day at 1409. So it remains to be seen what this will transpire tomorrow. We just have to see if this will make a headway from here and get above that left hand side. This could become a shoulder if this market starts going down here. But let's see if it does. We're looking at a 4-minute chart, 4-hour chart. Let's look at the daily chart, and that will give you an idea. Would it penetrate here tomorrow? It just remains to be seen. The market is now meeting some stiff resistance right here. 50-day average is a big thing, and you expect some few days can be spent here just trying to overcome that. Similar situation happened in other stocks here. We are going to go into it. Apple. Now we have drawn these lines here. We had this big move. Remember this reversal here on 16, went up here, then moved down a little bit, and now we're consolidating for a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sessions here. And how does it look like? Let's go pull up a 15-minute chart on it, and you can see this. And where are the 15-minute charts? Now you look at it here. This is where we came up here on last Monday. Okay, this was 1126, and if you look at it here today, it finished the day here at the same place, 586. We were here 586, 87. So what happened here? These gap ups and the ups and downs in the stock, we have made no progress, and Apple has just consolidated for 1 week solidly here in a picture perfect consolidation pattern that you can get. I mean, with all these all these gap ups here, 1, 2, and 3 gaps, looks like the stock always gaps up, either gaps down or gaps up. And when it does that, it sells off. I mean, it sold off here, it sold off here. It still have that bearishness to it. And unless we get over that 200-day moving average, which this stock is trying to do, is get over to that levels, and which is 594 was the pivot, but it needs to go above 700, and then probably this behavior of the stock will happen. The 50-day 200-day is right at 600 right now, and then the 50-day is coming down from this at 610. So we got some major resistance coming up on Apple. Other stocks here, let's go take a look at it. Facebook, this stock was hotly traded today, and it went up here. It has been climbing here from this level 2018 up to this level, which is 28, and then today was a doji. And if you look at up close, you can see that on it. This was a short. A lot of people were shorting it today. I did not, and this was a classically going down here and finish the day. This shorting business can still continue another point or two. Now Google, which is the main stock, one of the biggest stocks here, take a look at it, also had a day when it went up 705. We got out, and then it pulled back a little bit here, but this is all standing here in the first. If we draw a Fibonacci retracement, which I don't have it here right now, it will take some time, but this thing is still holding within the 25% of the Fibonacci retracements, which is showing you the strength of that stock. It is very strong here, and it is pulling back, but it's not a short. Take a look at it. It just did the 50-day moving average right here, touched it for a second, and then came down here, and probably is going to attempt it again to 705 next few days or so. Well, another one here, which is BCLN. Let's take a look at that stock here. It bounced out of this thing above 200-day, and it went up and got pulled back just like the other places in the market. So everything just got pulled back towards that. And eBay, which is another one, was well traded today. It made a high of 53 and then pulled back here, finished the day at 52.04. So this is where this eBay is. In another stock here, AOS, if I can squeeze that in here, take a look at it. It's still moving up a little bit higher on this.